Welcome back, classic car lovers. Today we're going back in time to explore one of the most opulent and commanding vehicles of the early 1960s, the 1963 Cadillac Limousine. This wasn't just a car, it was a rolling symbol of prestige, power, and luxury that defined Cadillac's dominance in American automotive history. Whether used for dignitaries, celebrities, or business magnates, this car was pure class on wheels. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1963 Cadillac Limousine had an unmistakable road presence. At nearly 20 feet long, its sheer size was imposing, a visual statement that this wasn't just any vehicle. The body was sharply contoured, with Cadillac's iconic tailfins toned down from previous years but still giving a regal silhouette. The wide chrome grille stretched across the front fascia like a jeweled crown, framed by dual-stacked headlamps that screamed American luxury. The hood ornament, long lines, and chrome accents gave it a formal, dignified look, while the rear fenders extended gracefully to house the slim, vertical tail lights. This was a limousine that didn't just turn heads, it demanded attention. Interior. Step inside and you're greeted with a level of interior elegance that rivals many modern luxury cars. The 1963 Cadillac Limousine featured plush wool or leather upholstery, depending on the specification, with hand-finished wood trim adorning the panels. There was ample room for up to 9 passengers, with rear-facing jump seats and a partitioned driver's compartment for maximum privacy. Rear passengers could stretch out in comfort, enjoying power windows, climate control, and even an intercom to communicate with the chauffeur. Fold-down footrests, courtesy lighting, and thick carpeting completed the interior's high-end feel. For the time, this was as luxurious as it got. Performance. Under the hood, performance wasn't forgotten. The 1963 Cadillac Limousine came equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, pushing out around 325 horsepower. That power plant was mated to a Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and quiet cruising even under a full passenger load. While it wasn't built for speed, this limousine offered effortless highway performance and a soft, floating ride thanks to Cadillac's advanced suspension system. The power steering and power brakes made it surprisingly easy to handle, even given its massive size. Driving or being driven in a 1963 Cadillac Limousine was an experience reserved for those who expected the very best. It wasn't just about moving from point A to B, it was about making an entrance, commanding respect, and traveling in absolute comfort and style. In conclusion, the 1963 Cadillac Limousine represents a golden era of American automotive excellence. With its massive presence, stately exterior, luxurious cabin, and smooth V8 powertrain, it stands as a testament to Cadillac's motto of being the standard of the world. Whether you're a classic car collector, a vintage limo enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates old-school craftsmanship, this car is a timeless piece of American history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Cadillac model. Until next time, keep riding in style.